something magnetic about a lady who knows exactly what to wear right now. Not the next season, not some other day, just right now. Hey all, I'm Venus. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I hope and pray you all are doing well. Every wardrobe has that one hero piece that never lets you down, and for me, it's these beige trousers. In this video, I'm going to show you how this hero piece can switch up your style in completely different ways. They are simple, but trust me, they have this main character energy. So let's just get started with the video.
To start with, we have this elegant look created by pairing white crisp shirts with the same beige trousers. These trousers are high-waisted and are wide-legged. The fit of these trousers instantly make the outfit look structured and polished. If you want a semi-formal look, you can wear it with your flat ballerinas and skip the belt. But since I'm wearing my nude block heels, so I've added this belt to give a definition to the outfit. You can see for yourself how a simple looking outfit like this shirt and a trouser starts to look elevated the moment you add a belt to it. This is that boss lady look that works anywhere, anytime. Very basic but still elevated, isn't it? Now next up we have this look for which I've paired my wine colored top with the same beige trousers. The deep V neckline over here gives it that bold and flattering edge. Now since this top has a polyester blended into it, it has a satin-like sheen to it. And so it's perfect for an evening get-together. To add to the glam, I've added this scarf instead of a belt this time. And you see how this scarf pulls up the look together and highlights my waist. Here you can see the with or without the scarf look and observe how a small thing like a scarf can transform the whole vibe from basic to stylish. With the statement hoops, your watch bracelet, same colored footwear. Yeah, I've created a look that's bold, beautiful and powerful. Stripes are a classic print that never goes out of style. ये वाली look create करने के लिए I've combined my striped shirt with the beige trousers. Shirt adds a pop of freshness while the beige trousers keep everything neutral and grounded. Your sleeves, wear your sneakers, add a crossbody bag. Did an outfit that's so easy. It gives that polished yet relaxed vibes. You can wear it for your work, travel, movie or just for a lunch. I believe it is the simplest yet most comfortable look. Next up, I'm wearing a basic black full sleeves top with my trousers. This top is a staple. You must invest in a full sleeve black top. It's gonna be so much useful. You can wear it as it is or add layers on top of it. Lay low and you will thank me later. Whether this black and beige create a clean contrast, chic enough for a coffee date and polished enough for a meeting. You know the best part? You can dress it up with your heels and a statement bag or keep it casual and wear it with your sneakers. Believe me, it's a timeless combo. Trends आएंगे जाएंगे, but this will stay. You don't have to think twice. जब मन करे तब पहन लो. Other than the solid colors, you can also pair these trousers with prints. Wearing a vibrant green printed shirt with bold leafy patterns. This black belt cinches my waist and gives a shape to my outfit. Footwear, I'm wearing my black kitten heel. Straps of my heels create that elegant look. To finish off the look, I'm wearing my hoops. I assume this look is both modern and graceful.
I hope I was able to guide you how you can style your beige trousers. If you still haven't got one, please do invest in some high quality beige trousers. Don't compromise on the quality. Mine was in earthy beige. You can go in for brown beige as well and it looks equally good. If you like the styling journey, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.